J.C. Whitney Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people assume auto parts shopping is complicated, but J.C. Whitney has been a trusted source for aftermarket vehicle parts for decades, offering a wide selection for cars, trucks, and SUVs. J.C. Whitney specializes in replacement parts, accessories, and performance upgrades. One standout feature is its extensive catalog covering classic, vintage, and modern vehicles. Whether you need brake pads, lighting, or interior accessories, J.C. Whitney offers detailed product descriptions and fitment guides. Most people get this wrong. They assume online auto parts retailers may sell low-quality items. The surprising truth is J.C. Whitney provides quality parts from reputable manufacturers, often backed by warranties. The website also includes reviews and installation guides to help buyers make informed decisions. Another advantage is convenience. Products are available online with home delivery, and the site often has promotions or bundled deals. Customer service is accessible via phone or email, assisting with technical questions or order issues. However, there are considerations. Shipping times can vary depending on inventory, and some specialty parts may be limited. Pricing may not always be the lowest compared to other online retailers, so comparison shopping is recommended. In conclusion, J.C. Whitney is a reliable platform for anyone looking for quality automotive parts and accessories. Its broad catalog, detailed guidance, and reputable brands make it a convenient choice for DIY repairs or upgrades. Subscribe for more honest auto parts reviews before making your next vehicle purchase or repair.